This is the verse again. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu la tuharrimu tayyibat ma ahallallahu lakum. Okay, go on to the result discussions. This is full learning outcome or result and discussion, which is good. However, if you can add one more column, pertinent verse of the Quran related to the first outcome. For example, the first outcome is awareness of the excessive consumption. So maybe in this case related to the verse wala ta'tadu, right? But make clear, otherwise in general, and maybe for example the second outcome here from the verse of Quran, la tuharrimu tayyibat ma ahallallah, right? So understanding lawful and prohibited actions or prohibited items according to the Holy Quran. So maybe you just specifically pertinent verse of the Quran and critical reflections on the cultural practices. So which part of the verse of Quran? Maybe if you want to say that Inna Allah la yuhibbu al-mu'tadin, that we have to understand, to reflect that, make sure that our culture is not mu'tadin, not extreme in another word. And same thing also with the fourth one, ethical and mindful decision making. Because when we talk about excesses, this is related to behavior, related to the ethic. Maybe you can support with Inna Allah la yuhibbu al-mu'tadin, which is concerned about the ethic, we as a Muslim. So of course we have another learning outcome, but you list down only 4, as I mentioned to you. You give also with little bit explanations, but I wish if you can provide also what is the pertinent part of the verse of the Quran related to the learning outcome that I already discussed about that. Go on please, sister. So this is you explain maybe because the verse ya ayyuhallazina amanu la tuharrimu tayyibat ma ahallallahu lakum, so many things that we can deduce from this verse, we can understand from this verse. For example, you say the verse 1 specifically to the believer, which is good. The most relevant one, ya ayyuhallazina amanu, right? Ya ayyuhallazina amanu. And then in this case, we would like to know why Allah SWT addressed to those who believe. No, because sometimes Allah also addressed to the whole of mankind, ya ayyuhan nas. But in this case, specifically to ya ayyuhallazina amanu. What is the significance behind that? What is the wisdom behind that? So as I mentioned to you earlier, that maybe the Muslim or believers, there are several what we call level in terms of belief to Allah SWT. Some of them may be very strong, some of them may be not strong enough or moderate, but in this case, be careful about what has been said by Allah SWT. Something that is tayyib, you have to say tayyib. Something that is halal, you have to say halal. Something that is haram, you have to say haram. Not confused between one to another. So, if you do not know, please don't try to make a confusion for the public, because otherwise they will consume something which is non-tayyib and become tayyib, and they consume something which is haram and then they consume that. So this is the thing. So this is the discussions. Okay, go next, sister. This also discussion wala ta'tadu here. Wala ta'tadu is very, very, very important here, because not only just related to food consumption, maybe in terms of our attitude, behavior, and Islam in general, also the known as Dinul Wasat or moderate religion. So make sure that we as the followers of the Islam behave as a moderate what we call moderate behavior, not to become too extreme, not too liberal, but be at the middle. This is Islam, because Islam not as another religion. For example, some of the item which has been provided by Allah on this earth, some of them are what we call prohibited, and then another what we call type is permissible, right? Or what we call everything permissible, maybe according to certain group, and then certain group everything prohibited. But in this case, Islam choose to be the moderate. not everything permissible, not everything prohibited, but some are prohibited, some are majority maybe what we call permissible. So we are at the middle in all kinds of the teaching, including also toward foods and then and so on. So in this case, because otherwise you will be chopped as ta'tadu. But in this case, Allah SWT and Islam, this is referred to the Islamic teaching, moderate one, based on the pertinent verse of the Quran, wala ta'tadu. Okay, go on. And so this is the conclusions, and then with the recommendation. Okay, next one, recommendation, which is good also, right? This is maybe in another word the applications of the from the verse of the Holy Quran, right? As I mentioned to you, if you can support also with the pertinent part of the verse of Quran, which is good, so indicate that you understand. For example, follow the sunnah, not personal innovation, right? So in this case, what we call even though that one is a little bit general, but try your best to relate. Maybe tayyib is a sunnah, tayyib product is sunnah, sunnah product, and then what we call haram product is considered as non-sunnah product that we have to be avoided, because in the Quran mentioned two terms here, the term tayyib, the term halal, and the term haram, the term tayyib. The term tayyib, but do not mention in this word the term khaba'is. Maybe another verse of Quran mention khaba'is, right? So you have to choose properly and don't make what we call religions harder. So because don't say that everything something which is good this considered as prohibited, because you make people difficulties, right? Difficulties and harder to live, because Islam is a simple religion. Right? This is what we call. This is related to la tuharrimu tayyibat ma ahallallah, something. This is don't try to be rush to judge something that you do not know, right? So because to make the people in a difficult situation. Be grateful for Allah SWT blessings, right? Inna Allah la yuhibbu al-mu'tadin. And alhamdulillah, be grateful here because Allah SWT provide at-tayyibat on this earth. So therefore you be grateful. Maybe you can support with tayyibat one. The term tayyibat that mentioned in this verse indicate that so many product is under a category, so many product are under category of tayyib. So allow for us to consume. So in this case, we have to be grateful and avoid self-righteousness. What is that? Okay, righteousness. Okay. Thank you very much for your presentations.